What makes a business easier for a bank to finance before it goes to market?
So if a business owner knows that he or she are going to be looking to sell their business, bringing in the right broker, but also the right banker can really be the best thing that they can do. It'll allow them time to really understand their company's bankability, but then also ensure they have clean, clear financials to provide a lender and a buyer with full transparency and understanding. As I said on the previous episode, banks love predictability. So working with a bank ahead of marketing your business can really give a much needed leg up in ensuring that your business appears low risk and then high reward so that you're attracting prime buyers.
I would say one of the biggest barriers to closing a deal that we see are incomplete, unclear, poorly structured financials.
Yes.
The clearer the financials are for everyone involved, the bank is always the most seasoned at reviewing financials. At the same time, if the buyer can't understand them, then the deal will fall through because they'll lose confidence. I think another thing that really ranks up there is unclear operations. So a lot of what we offer is just basic exit planning advice. We actually have certified exit planners that we work with, but even the most seasoned businesses, really, if they do just a little bit of exit planning up front and understand how well documented their operations are, how consistent the operations are, yes, the bank wants to know that stuff as well.
We want to know that there's been a plan in place, again, that if the owner exits this business, it can still operate without that owner there.
Yeah. A lot of times a business owner believes that their involvement in the business is one of the big selling points, when in fact, when you're trying to sell a business, it's a detractor. If you're planning to sell the business and walk away, and so much of that business's success is tied on your personality, your ability to close a deal, your ability to cook, whatever it happens to be, you've got to be able to prepare your business to operate without you.
And I think that's a hard pill to swallow for a lot of business owners.
It's not about you, actually. It's about your business.